Dream City Church is an Assemblies of God megachurch in Phoenix, Arizona. The weekly attendance is around 22,500. The senior pastor is Luke Barnett. The church was founded in 1923 under the name of Phoenix First Assembly. In 1979, Tommy Barnett became the senior pastor. In 2011, Luke Barnett became the senior pastor. Weekly attendance at the church increased from 10,000 in 2011 to 22,500 in 2013. In November 2015, the church became a multi-site church with the opening of its Scottsdale, Arizona campus. In 2015, Phoenix First Assembly took the name of Dream City Church. In February 2016, Community Church of Joy, a former Lutheran church in Glendale, Arizona, merged with Dream City Church. The sanctuary has second and third level balconies on most of the circumference of the auditorium. The church also features an elevator, cafe, bookstore and a prayer pavilion. In preparation for a Trump campaign rally, the church installed clean air EXP air purification units. Senior Pastor Barnett made a controversial claim: "When you come into our auditorium, 99% of COVID is gone. The efficacy of this system has not been tested against COVID-19. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.